bathroom, this is my VX Commodore SS IP card. It's an L98, it's got a set of Higgins heads on it. Pretty much a standard motor, forged internals, forged pistons. Still running the original L98 injectors, which have just been decapped because it's running E85. So the computer running the engine is a standard factory 5.7 computer, and that's talking to the L98. The way it does that is the reluctor wheel on the crank has been changed from the, I believe it was a 54 tooth down to a 24 tooth. So the computer still thinks it's talking to a 5.7 that's just a bit thirstier on fuel. It's putting out around about 600 foot-pounds of torque, 493 rear wheel horse on the hub dyno. Rev into, I got the limiter set at about 7.2. It's quite a torquey little motor actually. It makes a lot of torque from about 3,000 upwards and just pulls hard all the way through. T56 gearbox, it's just coupled to the engine with a Exceedi clutch. Diff ratio on this is 3.7 and just running a true track. Fuel cell is an Aeromotive 57 litre, internal baffled, E85 pump, regulator in the boot just with a single line running up to the engine. Front rotors, they're DBA, so they're basically off the, I think they're off a Senator. 355 on the front and I think they're 345 on the rear. Harrop 4-spot calipers all round. The front ones are slightly bigger than the back. They used to bolt on, but unfortunately Harrop don't make the rotors to suit those calipers anymore, so I had to do a bit of grafting. That's why I've gone to the other rotors now. Sway bars are all factory. Everything under the car is pretty much factory. Apart from, just the BC coils, I have put nolethane throughout the whole car. So there's no rubber anywhere in it. Even the engine mounts and gearbox mounts, they're running tough mounts on it. That did stiffen it up and makes it go around corners a lot better too. The weight of the car is sitting around about the 1650. So with me sitting in it, you're about 1750. So obviously it's no lightweight being a Commodore. My sponsors, my main sponsor is Mobile Workshop Supplies, so that's obviously my business. My other sponsors is Burke's Mechanical Repairs. He built the engine for me. Claremont Crash Repairs, they do the touch-ups when I accidentally have a whoops. Moona B Select, they change my tyres around every race meet. And Signworks for doing the graphics. So yeah, those guys, thank you.